guys, now I'm in Ninh, which is 90 kilometers in the south of Hanoi. And yeah, it's also an area where the landscape is very amazing. But I don't want to show you the landscape because it's just a mixture of Ha Giang and Sapa and Halong Bay. But I want to show you another thing which I find very amazing. But I have to talk very quietly because I actually don't know whether I may take video of where I'm going now. So this is like a Buddhist temple, but inside a natural cave. There are some Buddha statues. Swimming in here in the pond. Alright guys, so now I'm in HUE, which is in central Vietnam. It's an ancient emperor's city, but yeah, I didn't want to show you all the historical buildings and stuff like this because you've seen lots of them in my videos, in my previous videos. But I wanted to show you something quite yeah, special and mystical. So I'm here in Tui Tien Park, and it's an abandoned water park. So you see there is like a big yeah, whatever building with a dragon, and yeah, so it's an abandoned water park. I don't know the story of the park, but yeah, I think it was built but no one wanted to use it, so they just left it here. Now it's a tourist attraction, and it's yeah, like rotting and has lots of graffitis on it. Yeah, and now let's explore it from inside. So this is what it looks like from the entrance. So here you can see the graffitis. I don't know what this is supposed to be. So yeah, it's not only abandoned, it's also yeah, like broken by some people. You can see we are in the dome, which you can see from outside. Yes, I don't know what this building is supposed to be. There are no pools or something like this. So actually this is a quite good Halloween destination, because you see here tail of the dragon, and when you go under the tail you can even see the skeleton. So now we are in the mouth of another dragon or whatever. And here you can see there are also some rocks inside of this building. Some plants, lots of waste, trash. And we can also go up to the top of the dragon. Oh, more skeleton. So let's go upstairs. So now we are in the dragon's mouth. Oh, there's a tower over there, so you can't see it, but there's a cross on the top, so it's probably kind of church. This is it, and over there is a bridge and also like a theater. And now we're going there. So on the way to the theater, I stumbled upon another building. And there we also have got our water slide, which I missed at the first building. And here, here there is also a pool. Oh yeah, that's what I call a water park. So we've got one pool over here, and over there there's another pool, and there's a slide. So the second pool, and some more playing constructions, which are of course quite broken. And you can see everywhere there are palms, but those are planted, so those are not naturally occurring, I guess. If it wasn't abandoned and if the weather would be nice, this could be a very nice place to spend a day. So now we are inside of the theater, which I could see from the dragon. There's more water, but I don't know what this was used for, because you see those weird constructions in the middle. Maybe for some water shows or something like this. And actually it smells everywhere around this theater. It smells like a big public toilet. So I think you can imagine why. Oh, and there's a dog. Aha. I think now we found a toilet. No, we didn't. Oh, whatever. And I really have got no idea what this is supposed to be. So here, this is a square, as you can see, but with this weird, tree or something, and everywhere those statues. And also here, a very weird statue with like 3 heads. So alright guys, this was the water park, and also that's the end of my video. If you liked it, you can hit the like button, subscribe, whatever. And also if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And yeah, so tomorrow I will head to Ho Chi Minh City. I will abbreviate my journey in Vietnam a bit because it's raining everywhere I want to go. Hello. And yeah, so I wanted to go to Da Nang. I don't know if you know the city. It's just 100 kilometers near here, but also there it's raining the next days. Watch out. And yeah, so I will abbreviate everything, the journey in Vietnam a bit. I will come back. I will definitely come back to this country. And yeah, so see ya in Ho Chi Minh City.